Okay, it's early, we're in Wolverhampton, it's pissing it down. Not as much as what it was in Manchester though. We just got news that the motorway we was on this morning, good job we did set off early, it's now been shut because it's flooded. Shows how bad the weather is right now. It's not much better here in Wolves, but it's, I would say, it's a little bit better than what Manchester was. Coffee in hand, McDonald's in belly. Just getting over to, next stop is Molineux now. Get parked up around the stadium, head in. Got to collect a ticket from the ticket office and then get ready for the game really. Start getting apprehensive, nervous, whatever you want, feeling confident. Team news will be coming not too far from now, hopefully. And hopefully it's a good day like it was last time here in Wolves. Anyway, I'm just going to head over to Wolves, to the stadium now, and I'll catch up with you there.
Que vai chegar em Quero ver, olha aí. Vem dois também. Vem dois.
Ainda não saiu nenhum português?
Você não pode dizer, eu estava a gravar para aquele lado mais. Come on, Tony! Alguém que for caro demais. Estou 50 milhões, foi o que eu percebi. Não dá o braço.
Alright, just seen the players come in there, no Martinez, so unfortunately I don't think, and what I've been told, Martinez didn't make it in time. He has been training this week, and I mean he's supposedly fit enough, but I didn't see him get off the coaches. There was another coach at the back there that I didn't see, so whether he got off that or not, but we're hearing that it's the same team as it was against Nottingham Forest in the week, so hopefully we get the same result from that. But yeah, so the news coming out early doors is that Martinez isn't fit and ready, so looks like it as it was, and I think we should have enough still playing well enough without Martinez there. obviously same midfield and same forward line I think it's going to be. Team news is about to drop properly very, very soon, so we'll get inside the stadium and then come back to you with the definites of the team lineups then. Okay, inside Molyneux now, and no Rashford, no Martinez. One change is Rashford. Didn't see that coming, he's on the bench. Don't know what that's about, if it's precautionary, ill, not fit to start. It's a bit of a worry because he has been our best player and our leading goal scorer so far this season. So let's just turn our Rashford, he's on the bench. Internal discipline we're hearing. Right, okay, so Rashford's been a naughty boy. Last thing we need right now, God. Anyway, hopefully he comes on and makes up for that. And we actually get the win.
Chance of that, eh?
Rashford coming on in the second half, much needed. Definitely to attack Semedo down Wolves' right hand side now, being on the yellow card. Not sure who it is yet, but I think it is for Garnacho. United just need to take that chance. They're on top, David De Gea hasn't really had a save to make, so I do feel like United now are the team looks strongest, better on the ball, better in the final third. We just not had that finishing touch so far. I mean, Anthony should have scored, Garnacho should have scored himself. We should be 2-0 up, but it is going how it normally goes here. It's tight, it's tense. I think one goal is going to win it. Outside a still rainy Molyneux where United have just beaten Wolves 1-0. Said at half time, United are the better team, we should have been 2-0 up. We are going to get that chance, we've got to take that chance. The difference ultimately was the substitutions. I thought Fred coming on, which probably wasn't the plan for Eriksen, gave us that energy up front, gave us that bit more of a press. Rashford's pace, speed and confidence at the moment definitely played into our advantage. Obviously he got the goal, he got the second goal. I think that one was disallowed simply because of a handball. Don't know, from where we are we can't see that. It looked like a ricochet possibly going through when he broke in, but showed the will and the strength to get through on both of them goals. Rashford, even after being disciplined, I don't know what the discipline was for, but if you want to do that every week, mate, go for it. You know what I mean? And what Ten Hag is building here is that discipline, is that mentality. Even without Rashford there today, we carried on as it was. It doesn't change. Another player comes in, just carry on playing the same way. That's what we've got to do as Manchester United. That's another win now, that's another win away from home. Another clean sheet, that's 7 this season now. Let's not forget how important this is. Yeah, the goal difference isn't great. We need to score a few more goals and take the pressure off. But I'm going to say it again, the defence is freaking awesome. It really is. Shaw at centre-back. You've got £120 million worth of defence sat on the bench, international defence sat on the bench, who are masters, or not masters, but supposedly masters of that art. And you've got a left-back playing the best he's played in his whole career in the wrong position. Shout out to Malacia, shout out to Aaron Wan-Bissaka, 3 games in a row, 3 clean sheets. I don't think Ten Hag can drop him now for this next game. He was immense there today, superb. And credit to him, because I have given him some shtick. But Ten Hag has got into his ribs and it is working for him. Credit to him, credit to Malacia, because he had to adapt in the second half. And I've seen people deal with Traore and their pace. I've not seen him deal with it like that. That was awesome from Malacia. Credit to him. Varane, ridiculous. De Gea had his feet up. One trick pony Wolves, Neves free kick. Couldn't even work for him this time. De Gea's only saved the game of note. Other than that, we were absolutely solid. Casemiro, I've run out of superlatives. Run out of superlatives for that man. He's ridiculously good, and he is a leader that this team has missed for many years. And it's people like that, and leaders and winners like that, that are carrying this team through these sorts of games. Said just get through these Christmas games, get the points on the board. We have done. We're in the top 4. That says everything you need to know about this team and the mentality coming back in after that defeat to Aston Villa. 5 wins in a row in all competitions after that. Just goes to show the learning from the mistakes and the moving forward from it. And Ten Hag, he's at the helm. He disciplined Rashford today. Like I said, we carried on, no change. We're learning. This isn't a one-man team. Ronaldo's gone to Saudi Arabia. We've won every single game since he's gone, and he's not been in the team. It goes to show that the manager is what matters at this football club. He's coaching his players, he's making players better. Look at the amount of players that have turned their season around. The only disappointment was Martial. He needs to do more, he needs to be stronger. We needed more from him in that game there today. Luckily, Rashford's bailed us out there in the end off the bench. And you know what, 11 for the season, 6 in the league now for Rashford. 14 club and country this season. Ten Hag said he can score 20 Premier League goals. He's on track. If he keeps going like this, then you never know. Moving on to Bournemouth next, it's a chance to actually get some goals and try and build that goal difference up now. Only +4, but into the top 4 by right on the same amount of games as Spurs now. Spurs will play later on, but we are in the top 4. That's where we belong, and that's because of Ten Hag and how he's changed this team around. Absolutely buzzing with this. Absolutely buzzing. Great win again for United today. It goes to show when you're solid and you're hard to beat, you can make it count. We need that extra forward, we need another midfielder, we need a few players. We are missing that extra cutting edge, but this form can't be ignored. And as much as people want to resist from saying Manchester United are out of this or they're not going to make top 4, the more games like this and the more wins in a row, you're going to have to say Manchester United, we're there now, 16 games in. What are you saying? Come on, be realistic. United are in this top 4 fight now. As simple as that. Buzzing. Like, share and subscribe, everybody. What a day. Happy New Year. Bring on 2023, baby.